Today, we're going to create a Lambda package for NodeJS that utilizes the MySQL package. To accomplish this, we'll start by creating a working folder. Next, we'll install the MySQL package using the npm package installer. And finally, we'll compress this package and update our Lambda function. Let's get started. To start this process, I've gone ahead and created just a empty Node.js Lambda function. I've named it read records from MySQL. We haven't written the application code yet, but we will expand on this later. It just has the default code here for us. Notice we've gone to Node.js 8.10. Today we're going to use the Cloud9 environment. This is basically a Linux EC2 instance, and it's definitely recommended that you build all your packages in Node.js, but if you do want a Windows installation instructions or a page for that, I'll go ahead and include that in the description down below. So we're going to start by creating our working folder. I'm going to call this one Lambda Package today. And this is just a working folder. We can name it anything we want. It does not actually matter when it goes into Lambda. Now let's go into that Lambda Package folder. Now we can use npm to do our install of the MySQL package into this folder. So let's do npm install MySQL, and we're going to use the prefix option and tell it the target folder. And what the prefix does, it tells us we're going to install this package into the local folder. And as you can see here, we now have our node modules. Next, we're going to include our own application code, and we're going to create a new file here and just kind of paste in the code. I've added the require statement for MySQL, otherwise this is still the same package code that you would normally have. And we're going to save that into our Lambda package, and we're going to name it index.js because that is what Lambda likes to use as the default file name to invoke. Now that we've created this, let's look at our directory structure again. We have our node modules and our index.js. So let's zip this package up. We're going to use zip -r for recursive. We're going to put it in the temp folder, and we're going to name it Lambda. Let's name it Lambda Package just because that's what the directory is named. And we're going to use the period wildcard to make sure that we get all the files included. And that's complete. Now we're going to use that zip file to update our Node.js Lambda package. So we're going to start with AWS Lambda update function. You have to spell it correctly. Code. And we'll pass it the function name. And we'll just come back over here, make it easy. We're going to get this. And then all we have to do is pass in that zip file. So zip file. We're going to use file B, ://, then an extra slash to go to the root of the disk, temp directory, lambda package.zip. We get a response back from the AWS API saying that our package has been updated, and we'll go back into the Lambda console. Clicking refresh right here most of the time will not allow the packages to be viewed in the code editor. In this case, it actually worked. If you encounter this bug here, come back out to functions and then come back into the function. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It really helps. Ring the YouTube bell or follow me on Twitter to be notified of future videos. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please add the request in the comments section below. Until next time.